Hi kids, welcome to my Toons with Chalk. Today we're going to draw Applejack. So get your marker and let's begin. Good. So first up, as usual, I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to draw a big beautiful eye like this. And then I'm just going to complete the eye. I'm going to make a little line in the inside. And then I'm going to draw the pupil as well. So it's going to be a very big pupil like this. Good. And then some light reflection, of course. So there's a light reflection, and then maybe we can draw a smaller light reflection and we can color it in like so. Perfect. Good. The next thing I want to do is I want to draw the eyelashes. So I'm going to draw 3 eyelashes like this. Good, you with me? And then from here I'm going to draw the face, so the front part of the face. So I'm just going to draw a little line like so. You can just do it like this. Good. And then from here I'm actually just going to draw a little line back like so, and I'm going to stop right there. Good. Little nostril, and round about here you're just going to draw a little cute little smile. There we go, there's our little Applejack. Great. And then I'm going to draw another eye. From here I'm just going to draw an eye like this, and then I'm just going to draw a little line up like so. Good. And a light reflection, the pupil, and we're going to color it in like this. There we go, there's Applejack's little beautiful little face. So the next thing we're going to do the ear. So round about here, going to go up, I'm going to go down, and I'm going to make a little line like this. There's the ear and the hair. So from here, a line up, down, another line like so, go up again, and then from here I'm just going to draw a line all the way up like this, bring it back, another line, and I'm going to do this. So there's her hair, and then we're going to draw the mane. So I'm just going to draw a line up, and I'm going to do this. Great. And then from here I'm actually just going to draw about like so. I'm going to draw a little line like so. You're with me? And then I'm just going to bring it out again. I'm just going to draw another line like this, and then from this side I'm actually going to just make a round mark like this, and I'm going to do this as well. Good. Perfect. And then right here I'm just going to draw a little line like this, and then from here I'm going to do the ponytail. So it's going to be a ponytail. So, and I'm going to do this. Great. Good. And then I'm just going to return it like that. Perfect. And there's a ponytail for Applejack. Great. And now for her neck. So what I'm going to do, draw a curvy line like this, and then I'm going to actually just continue with this curvy line down below, and I'm just going to do that. You with me? Perfect. And now for her legs. So from here I'm just going to draw a leg down like that, and then from up here I'm just going to do this as well. So there's one leg. On this side we're going to do the same. We're going to bring the leg down just a bit higher than the other front leg like this, and maybe something like so. And there's the 2 legs. For her belly, there we go, there's the belly. And we're going to do the hind legs. So the first one like this, about the same length. You're going to bring it back. Good. You're going to bring the leg up, go in, and then from here I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to just draw a little line like so. And there's the back side. Yeah, great. And then for the other leg we're going to draw a line a bit shorter than the other back leg, and like this. There we go. Perfect. And now for her beautiful little tail. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to actually draw the bottom part of a tail. So I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to make a mark like this. Good, you're with me? And then from here I'm going to start here on top, and I'm just going to make it a lot wider like so, and I'm just going to make a round make it round like that. And then from here I'm just going to draw a little thing like this, maybe some band that ties her tail here together, and I'm just going to draw something like this, and on this side I'm just going to draw something like that, and we're going to do this, and we're going to do that, and here's the back part of the tail as well. So I'm going to draw another line here and just make a little line like this, and then from here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to bring it all over and like this. Perfect. And here we can maybe do this, and maybe make another line there, and maybe make another line there as well. Perfect. And there's the little Applejack. And then of course apple tattoos. So there's one apple, good, with a little stem, good. And let's draw another apple, a stem with a leaf, and then another little apple. There we go, stem and 2 leaves as well. Great, that's Applejack. And then from here we must not forget, another thing we have to draw is her hat. So from here I'm gonna actually draw a line up like this, good, and from here I'm just gonna draw something like so, and then we're just gonna make a curvy line like that. And then here at the back we're actually going to draw the top of our hat, and there we go. Perfect. And that's Applejack. And Applejack has 3 little spots on her cheek like this, yeah, and there is Applejack. I think she looks absolutely great. What do you think? If you like this picture, leave me a comment, and leave me a comment as well of what you want me to draw next time. Thank you for drawing with me, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon. Bye bye.